Hey guys, welcome back. It is time for another coffee vlog. I have neglected to do these for some time. I had a plan to, over the summer, I had a list of flavors I wanted to buy from Monin and Tirani and try them in order to find the perfect fall blends and things of that nature. I'm going to start this over for two reasons. Hey guys, so we're over here at the Nespresso machine, and you know what, I just realized that. Hello, so we're back at the Nespresso Latissima Plus, and let's make some coffee. We're gonna try the gingerbread syrup first. If this works by itself, then we have, okay, okay, so we're over, and it's an outtake already because the machine.
Can I not drink the apple cider? I don't like that.
Well, this will be an outtake for sure.
I don't like apple cider.
Are you deliberately doing this so that we'll have multiple outtakes? Okay, we're back at the coffee machine, and this completes my Tirani order for fall winter 2022. This is the last of the stuff to test. I don't know what order these are going to go up in, so if this one goes up first, then sorry for the confusion. Actually, I'm going to start this over anyways.
Tomatoes.